In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google Merchant Center account. Whether you're consolidating accounts, moving to a different platform, or simply don't need it anymore, it's important to manage your digital footprints wisely. I'll guide you through each step to ensure the process is seamless and efficient for you. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Merchant Center website. Once there, log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the account linked to the Merchant Center you're planning to delete. This step ensures that any actions you take are applied to the correct account, minimizing the risk of unwanted outcomes. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted by the familiar dashboard where all your merchant data is organized. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner. Here you will spot a gear icon, Google's trusty symbol for settings. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu. It's your gateway to configuring various parts of your merchant center. From this menu, select General Account Options. This choice will lead you to a range of settings, each designed to tailor your account experience to your needs. Now it's time to scroll through these options. As you make your way down the list, keep an eye out for the section titled Close Merchant Center Account. It's nestled amongst other settings, so take a moment to locate it. This section houses the link you need, aptly named Close Merchant Center Account. Clicking this link is your next step, but a word of caution, make sure you're certain about closing the account before proceeding, as this action can have a lasting impact on your online business presence. Once you click the link, a pop-up message will appear. This message serves as a confirmation dialogue, reiterating that closing your account is a significant step. Google wants to ensure you've considered all ramifications, so pay close attention to this message. It also provides further instructions on finalizing the closure. Within this confirmation message, you'll find a radio button. It will be tagged with the statement, "Yes, I want to permanently close this Merchant Center account." Selecting this option is essential. It communicates to Google that you're ready to proceed and have acknowledged the consequences. After you've selected the radio button, the final step is to click the Close Merchant Center Account button. This action puts your decision into effect, shutting down your Merchant Center account permanently. And there you have it, a complete guide to deleting your Google Merchant Center account. It's a straightforward process as long as you follow these steps carefully. Remember, managing your online accounts responsibly is key to maintaining a clean and secure digital presence.